We're back again with something quite interesting, the derivatives and integration. Okay, without wasting time, let's consider the function of y equal to 2x plus 7. According to question number 1, we are asked to derivate the function of y with respect to the variable x. Actually, they want us to find the y over dx of this function. Well, let's begin the process. If we derivate y with respect to the variable x, then we're going to get d over dx times y equal to the derivative of 2x with respect to the variable x is nothing but 2 dx over dx plus, however, here there is no x, meaning that the derivative of 7 will be d7 over dx. Okay, this could be written as dy over dx equal to, this side we got this term 2 dx over dx. Dx and dx will cancel, leaves 2 behind. This term d7 over dx will vanish since the derivative of a constant gives 0. Therefore, we conclude that dy over dx is nothing but the gradient of this function. As you can see here, we got y equal to 2x plus 7. 2 is our gradient. Let's proceed. Last but not least, number 2, hence integrate over both sides. Immediately when you hear this word hence, it simply means that we're going to use the previous solution as our source of reference. Then our previous solution was dy over dx equal to 2. However, to integrate, we should make dy subject of the formula dy equal to 2 dx. Then we can introduce integral sign both sides, meaning that we're gonna have dy equal to 2 dx. This gives y equal to the integral of 2 with respect to the variable x is nothing but 2x plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay guys, as you can see here, there is y equal to 2x plus c, which gives the original equation, y equal to 2x plus c. Then if we integrate this one, we get dy over dx equal to 2. Same applies with this one. If we integrate this one, we're still gonna get dy. We will get dy over dx equal to 2. Meaning that this one and this one, the integration and the derivatives are inverse operators. Okay. Where we have used this formula, divide by the exponents n plus 1 plus the arbitrary constant c. That's it for this video. If you use this formula, you're gonna get something like this: y equal to 2x plus c.